Govindamadi Purusam Tamaham Bhajan. So, we are not going to be misled by anyone. We simply worship the original person, Adi Purusha. Govindamadi Purusam Tamaham Bhajan. केचित केवलया भक्त्या वासुदेव परायणा अभं धुन्नन्ति काश्रेण निहारम इव भास्कर. Siddhartha Swami is giving his commentation in this connection that tasya ati duskaratya मुख्यमेवा अन्यात् प्रायश्चित्तमाह केचित् इत्तनेन एवं मुता भक्ति प्रधाना विरला इति दर्शयति. केवलया तपो आदि भी निरपेक्षया. Siddhartha Swami is explaining this word kevalaya simply by devotion and service. Kevalayava. But without being dependent on other processes. The other processes we have described, tapasa, brahmacharyena, samena, damena, by observing celibacy. Take for example, celibacy. In this age, especially, why especially in this or that, all over the world, to remain a brahmachari is little difficult. One who can, it is very good, but it is difficult. The brahmacharya, by practicing celibacy, a life of celibacy, even one has the intention, the association, the society is so much polluted that one cannot. It is very difficult. So, in the Bhakti Yoga, it is not very strict that one has to observe celibacy strictly. He can marry. Marriage is allowed, but not for indulgence, but because a man requires a woman or a woman requires a man, there is sacred marriage. This man and woman is educated that he or she is not this body. Therefore, advancement of this education will stop him for this bodily enjoyment. Just like eating also. We are eating, we are not fasting, we are eating. But we are eating just to maintain the body and soul together. Not extravagant. Although we have very nice plates, Krishna Prasadam, but we do not make any palatable dishes for enjoyment. We make all nice things for Krishna and we take Prasadam. Therefore, the material effect of eating it does not act upon the devotee. So, therefore, Sukadeva Goswami says, by one stroke, kevalaya, without waiting for the austerity, undergoing severe penance, austerity, celibacy, controlling the mind, controlling the senses, and giving in charity, performing great sacrifices, to becoming very truthful, clean, but without waiting for all these things. Simply by one stroke, accepting Krishna consciousness, one immediately ascends the highest position.